Hello everyone, how are you all? I want to talk about a few things which mm, CA. This is the first step towards your dream, towards your success. What is it? CA, foundation. And then there is CA intermediate and then there is CA final. Okay, we all know that. So, what I am going to do is to provide you a free batch on YouTube for CA CA foundation. Kind of. So I'll tell you about myself. I'm CA finalist. My name is Krishna, and I have kind of knack in accounting. I have one group pending. So I'm going to write in this November. Again, I'm telling you, this is a free English batch for accounting for CA foundation. Why should you watch? Because I'm going to cover everything from your ICAI material, and then I'm going to cover last 2 year, which is 6 papers of RTP, MTP, and previous year questions, which is exclusively your 100% of the syllabus. If you attend my batch, if you do what I say, what do I say? I mean, I say a few things. Grow up, brood, have some fun. Okay, apart from that, sorry, a bad joke. Apart from that, if you do what I say, like practice a couple of questions, I'm going to wait, I'll tell you. I'm going to like, why do you have to take this batch? Even if it's for free, your investment is more because you invest time. Yes, but what I'm going to do, wait. This background is bad. I'll just change this. Okay. So whatever there are big questions like in partnership, dissolution, or the appointment, or calculation of goodwill, which is kind of complicated types of goodwill, okay? Or, NPOs, big problems. I'm going to provide you a beautiful short summary, which is exclusively only from me. So when when you are going to write exam in your whatever attempt, just before the day, you don't have to take calculator and calculate everything. You just have to revise the summary, and that is how you can do. You have to do, which saves you a lot of time, which sorry, which helps you get marks, which is not less than 60. Even if you watch one video of my class, I want you to aim for 60. I don't want you to aim for 59. I don't want you to bother about aggregate like 40, 50, 40, 50. No, we don't have to shuffle it. I am going to take your hands and let you go through me, pass this foundation exam. So actually, I'm planning to start batches for free or for paid. I don't know, for CF Inter and CF Final also, but it is little overwhelming right now. So, by the way, I'm South Indian. So this is kind of unplanned. I didn't write a whole script and like I wanted to impress you. No. I just want to share the expertise I have all through the years. I've written exams. I'm not like if you ask me, are you like intellectual or whatever? Not that I passed to first attempt, all India rank. No, not that thing. I'm just mere student, just like backbenchers. If I am able to clear these exams, you can obviously do this. Okay. And then again, I'm telling you, this entire batch is free. What I want you is to bring your calculator, ICAI material, a notebook, pen, your brains. Okay. Also, first of all, I'm very, 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 very thankful to my brother and then my parents, all my friends, everyone. They are the reason I'm kind of taking this dare step. I'm introvert, so I just don't want to reveal my face. But I'm going to motivate you. I'm going to change your future. I'm going to change your thought process. We are going to integrate philosophy, psychology. Um, we are going to integrate that. You can see many people, which is kind of off to this accounting subject, but it is integral part of our lives. Accounting is our professional life. What is our personal life? We are going to talk about this. If you take my hand, sorry, if you lend me your hand, I am going to make your and my life so much better, so much fun. And many people kind of muck up with things like accounting standards are not there in CF Foundation, which you are very lucky. Like debit, what comes in business, credit, what goes out of business, whatever. I got a doubt when there was a couple of years back. I had a business. I'm a multi-billionaire. My company's Tesla. Okay, just kidding. But if you want to bill them, you can. Which is why I'm wearing this, and this is my Tesla home. Um, and there was this girl. Her name was Sheila, I guess. She kind of, when I was talking to my receptionist, I'm CEO of the company. When I was talking to my receptionist, she just came right through the door and she asked me if I have a rupee. Apparently, she was a beggar. So I was thinking, okay, golden rule, real account, debit what comes in. Should I debit Sheila? Because she just came right through the door to my business. Hmm, what is the logic behind this? I don't think so. So should I debit Sheila and credit 1 rupee because I gave cash? Okay, okay. Let's not go to technical. But so then I got a doubt. No, 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 no. Let's not teach through this way. These are definitely the golden rules. We cannot disrespect them. But I'm going to tweak your confusion. Where to debit, where to credit, what to debit, what to credit. These are the four questions we people in the accounting suffer a lot. And I'm going to kind of make your life easy and my life easy too. Because it's fun. The whole point is I am not going to mug you up with concepts. No, this is this, and matching concept, that is concept, perpetuity, whatever. Okay. I'm going to be fun. I'm going to just change your perspective towards accounting. It's not that a subject we have to care. It's a feeling we have to show. It's kind of Sudoku game. Just you click the rules. These are the rules. In this Sudoku game, these are the rules. Okay. Where exactly bookkeeping, what are subfields of accounting, information, so on, so all such as these concepts, conventions, principles. Okay. Fundamental accounting assumptions, going concern assumption, etc. etc. So these are the rules, and where the game starts. These are not much relevant for you, but these are going to bang you up. And sorry, these are going to, hit you hard in CA, inter and CA final. And this is where the game starts. So, chapter number one, you have to study the rules of this game. From chapter number two is the basic format of the game. Chapter number three is kind of, you know, a little bit odd game. Four, five, six, you gonna love this. Seven, dip, oh, preparation of final attempts. Oh, this is where you have to apply your skill. Or me, but it's fun. You just have to understand where to debit and where to credit. That is all you have to care about. And I'm going to make you clearly explain you about this. Okay? I don't know if I have mentioned, but I think I have mentioned, but I'm very thankful to my brother, to my parents, to you, to me, to myself. Okay, we are gonna have a lot of fun. Even there is a one person who is going to watch the entire videos. By the way, I'm going to prepare schedule and I'm going to share with you with the in the Telegram channel after 20 seconds. Since Telegram is banned till 22nd. Okay, this is the like index part. We are going to talk a lot, everything about this. We are not going to leave even a single not line, not even single word, single page irrelevant. No. We are not going to leave even irrelevant concepts. We are going to talk about them. We are going to discuss about them, but we are going to emphasize more on the more relevant concepts so that you can secure 60 plus. All I care about is your 60 plus. In my exposure, like a lot of people, if they see me, if they recognize me, and when I go out and people be like, hey, Krishna, sir. No. Oh, no, don't call me sir. Krishna, bro. Krishna, babe. Whatever works, bro. Like, if I go out and people recognize me, it's more than anything, kind of celebrity status. I'm thinking of far too much. Okay, that is totally irrelevant. We are going to talk about a lot of stories together. We are going to spend a lot of time together. You're gonna love me. You're gonna love the subject, not me exactly, because it sounds bad. So that's it, I guess. I think kind of I just want to start right now, but I don't know where to start. So I'm going to plan, and I think I'm going to start uploading videos from Monday. Let's see how many people are interested. Thank you, I guess. Thank you so much for watching this, staying towards the end. One thing I really want to tell you for your future, you know, there's something I seriously want to discuss, which I think if your parents are watching this, please listen to this carefully. If your family members are four people, there are four YouTube accounts. So please like, share, and subscribe to those four accounts so that I get to have four subscribers. Imagine 100 families into 400, 4,000. So if there are 1 lakh students who are watching this, I'm going exposure for 4 lakhs, Yeah, I'm just messing up. Like, I'm just messing around. It's going to be fun. I can promise you that. You can comment on anything. This is not a perfect video, but this is my first video. I'm going to learn. I'm going to make anything. I'm going to take suggestions if you have any for me. So, bye.